All right, we're here with Ehsan from Functionland at Collision Conference 2024 at the York Region booth. Forgive the noise, but pleasure to have you on this video chat. Ehsan, how are you?
Yeah, good, good. Thanks for having me.
How's your Collision Conference going so far? And then I want to hear about Functionland.
Sure, yeah, it's been so far great. Like I've put faces to the names that I was exchanging email with, so it was great.
So it's been good for networking purposes.
Yes, networking purposes and introducing our solution to others.
So please introduce us to Functionland. What's it all about?
Sure, Functionland is a decentralized storage network. So basically the problem is predictability of the cloud. Like that's a global solution. Like whenever someone solves or makes something more predictable, that's a good solution. Like Uber made taxis more predictable. So we are making storage more predictable. Right now with cloud solutions, you don't know when they discontinue your access to your data or when they discontinue a service for you. And that's happened before, like with photos, with a lot of applications. So what we are doing is enabling individuals to rent the storage of their devices with each other and share it with each other. So basically it's like an Airbnb for data storage. You rent your storage, you earn from it, but also others can use it in a way that it's encrypted and it's safe to be used.
Yeah, naturally I was going to ask you about the privacy or security issues surrounding that. I love the idea in theory, but how do you protect customers' data?
So it's actually safer than the cloud storage because you only have the key to decrypt your data. In cloud storage networks, someone else, like an admin or someone, has access to your data as well, but here it's only yours. Whatever you upload gets encrypted on your client device, on your phone, on your mobile phone, gets chunked, so we chunk the file into a lot of pieces, send each piece to a device, and then replicate it on the network.
What are you holding in your hand here?
So a lot of people don't like running scripts on their laptop or turn their laptop into a storage provider. Most people prefer Apple TVs, and that's what we are giving them. This is basically a plug-and-play device for storage. You just plug it to a charger, and then you expand your storage with the expansion cards, whatever you want to provide to others. And we have an app that you can use to set it up in a few clicks. That's it. It becomes your home cloud for yourself and others.
It's your own private cloud, I guess, yeah. And how many terabytes can it hold, just depending on the size of the card that you use?
Anything that you want, you can plug it in, like 20 terabytes, 70 terabytes. We have users with 100 terabytes of data plugged into it, so whatever you want.
I love that. And are you affiliated with York Region or with an incubator from York Region?
So we are part of the Tree Frog Accelerator in York Region, and they basically set up with the York Region to have a booth here and attend it.
Awesome, they're a great group. And then finally, what are you looking to get out of Collision Conference, aside from the networking that we chatted about? Are you looking for investors, for example?
Yes, so we are actually meeting a couple of investors here. So I'm actually having meetings with them in the event. So hopefully we can introduce our solutions to investors as well.
Fantastic. Finally, what's the best website to learn more?
So you can visit our website at fx.land, and there are all the information in the website on the encryption, on how to get a node, how to run a node, everything is there.
All right, fx.land. All right, thank you so much. Thank you, Ehsan.
Yes, thanks for your time and having me.